Have you ever felt the thrill of renovating your home, only to be met with unexpected challenges and financial strain? We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. You're not alone. Many homeowners embark on this exciting journey, but without careful planning, they can find themselves overwhelmed by pitfalls that could have been avoided. What if I told you that nearly 70% of homeowners exceed their renovation budgets, often by 20% or more? The stakes are high, but fear not. Let's explore the common mistakes you must avoid to ensure your renovation experience is smooth and rewarding. First, let's talk about budgeting. Number 1, underestimating your budget can lead to severe financial strain. Many jump into renovations without considering unexpected costs. You should set a realistic budget that includes a contingency fund of 10 to 20% for those unforeseen expenses. This will help you stay prepared for surprises like hidden structural issues or rising material costs. Number 2, skipping the planning phase can create chaos in your renovation journey. Rushing into a project without a solid plan can lead to confusion and costly mistakes. Make sure to invest time into planning every detail and create a project timeline to keep everything on track. Number 3, choosing the wrong contractor can be a significant setback. It's tempting to go with the lowest bid, but this often leads to poor workmanship. Take the time to interview multiple candidates and check their references. A good contractor will communicate effectively and align with your vision, making the process smoother. Number 4, ignoring local building codes can lead to fines and wasted time. Failing to comply with these regulations means you might have to redo work. Research the requirements in your area and consult with your contractor or a local building inspector early in the process. Number 5, overlooking necessary permits can have serious consequences. Working without proper permits can result in fines and delays. Always check what permits are needed for your specific project to protect your investment and keep everything above board. Number 6, focusing too much on trends can be a mistake. Design trends come and go, but timeless elements will make your space appealing for years to come. Tailor your renovations to fit your lifestyle and personal taste rather than what's currently popular. Number 7, neglecting functionality is crucial. A beautiful space is important, but it must also serve its purpose. Think about how you will use the space daily and ensure that the layout enhances your life. Number 8, skipping inspections during renovations can lead to significant issues later on. Schedule inspections at various stages to catch potential problems early. This proactive approach helps ensure everything meets safety standards. Number 9, not considering resale value can be a major oversight. Even if you plan to stay long-term, tastes change. Invest in renovations that appeal to a broad range of potential buyers to increase your home's marketability. Number 10, overloading on DIY projects can lead to burnout. While tackling smaller projects yourself can be rewarding, remember that some tasks require professional expertise. Assess your skills realistically and hire professionals where necessary. Now that we've covered these pitfalls, let's look at how you can create a realistic renovation budget. Start by listing all potential expenses, materials, labor, and unexpected costs. Research current prices in your area for accurate estimates and add a 15% contingency fund for surprises. Choosing the right contractor is crucial. Ask for recommendations from those who have completed renovations recently, read reviews, and check references to gauge reliability. Interview several candidates and get written estimates to compare costs effectively. Renovation delays often stem from inaccurate project timelines. Homeowners frequently underestimate how long tasks take. Engage your contractor in creating a detailed timeline that accounts for each phase of work. Supply chain issues can also cause major delays. If materials are back-ordered, it halts progress on related tasks. Monitor market trends and order materials as early as possible. Weather conditions can affect outdoor renovations significantly. Unexpected rain or snow may stall projects like roofing or landscaping. Plan around seasonal weather patterns to minimize interruptions. Change orders made after starting a project can extend timelines and costs. Establish a clear vision before beginning work to reduce these occurrences. Permit delays occur when applications lack details or understanding of local regulations. Engage with local authorities early in the planning process to expedite permits. Poor communication between homeowners and contractors leads to misunderstandings. Ensure expectations are clearly outlined from the start to avoid errors. Labor shortages can delay projects if skilled workers are hard to find. Secure contractors early who are already familiar with their schedules. Unforeseen structural issues can arise when hidden problems are discovered during work, halting progress until repairs are made. Conduct thorough inspections before starting projects to identify potential issues early. Inadequate planning for inspections can cause delays as well. Build a timeline that includes necessary inspections to keep everything moving forward. Navigating these renovation challenges doesn't have to be overwhelming. Using resources like big home projects can streamline the process by providing expert advice and access to reliable contractors who are vetted by others. This support system made a significant difference in my own renovation experiences. Now, back to that compelling question: what will it take for you to avoid pitfalls on your renovation journey? Keep these insights in mind as you embark on your next project. As you move forward, remember to watch out for unexpected expenses and communication gaps with contractors. For more tips and resources tailored specifically for your renovation needs, visit our site at Big Home Projects. This platform is designed to help you navigate through the complexities of home renovations with confidence and ease, ensuring that your dream home becomes a reality.